Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to properly configure Burp Suite with Firefox on Kali Linux. We'll cover how to import the Burp certificate into Firefox and make sure your proxy settings are enabled for both HTTP and HTTPS to troubleshoot some common issues like Burp isn't intercepting any traffic. Alright, so let's first get the Burp certificate. So open the Burp Suite and head over to the Proxy tab, and let's take a look at the proxy listeners and click Import and Export CA certificate. And now let's import that certificate into Firefox. Open your Firefox and go to the settings, and then to privacy and security. Let's go all the way down. Well, not really all the way. To view certificates. So not your certificates, but authorities. Well, I've already imported my Burp certificate, so I should have that. But anyway, you can just import them, and then you can check the certificate was imported successfully for Swigger. Yep, there we go. All right, now we have imported the Burp certificate. So let's take a look at the proxy settings. So from no proxy to manual proxy configuration, and also use this proxy for HTTPS. Otherwise, you can't intercept HTTPS traffic. Looking all good? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.